Tonight, Multnomah County waiting another week now to get back to business as Governor Kate Brown put a pause on reopening Oregon, putting a hold on all applications for 1 week.
And continuing to take a toll, how the latest outbreaks are hurting local business.
Plus, fighting through an unemployment backlog, an update on the thousands of claims filed here in Oregon.
Live, you're watching KOIN 6 News at 5. Watching out for you.
It is 5 o'clock. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jeff Giannola.
And I'm Emily Burris. A delay in Oregon's approval for applications to reopen comes as health officials say they are seeing a concerning rise in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations.
Our Jacqueline Abad digging deeper into this to find out what's causing these increases. What did they tell you, Jacqueline?
Well, Jeff, Emily, Oregon health officials attribute the increase in COVID-19 cases to a few things, including workplace outbreaks and more testing. Now, there's also the question if these large gatherings at demonstrations are connected to these recent COVID-19 cases. And from what officials tell us, it's just too early to say.
The virus makes the timeline.
Oregon is on pause as we deal with an increase in COVID-19 cases.
New hospitalizations are a telling measure of how well we're doing. Yet, because they're a lagging indicator, they tell us about infections that occurred many days ago, not what's happening right now.
And as testing increases, so are the positive results. But the Oregon Health Authority says there are also good signs. The emergency department visits at hospitals for COVID-like illnesses are below 1%, and health officials are staying on top of contact tracing. Only 22% of cases cannot be traced to an exposure.
Stay physically distanced. Yes, you can get together in small groups locally. Wear a face covering. Take precautions. Don't attend if you're sick. Wash your hands often. And together, by doing these things, we can get through this.
And although we're in the midst of a pandemic, we're also in a movement.
That racism as a public health issue for many people is the same, if not more pressing than the virus itself.
So we asked the question, are these demonstrations connected to the increase of COVID-19 cases in Oregon?
It's still not clear whether the most recent large demonstrations in Portland or other communities around the state have resulted in the spread of coronavirus, but we will have more evidence in coming days.
Multnomah County says they have fewer than 5 cases who have tested positive and also reported attending one of the demonstrations.
In public health, we're very sensitive to the effects of racism, and so we are not discouraging people from attending protests for a different but equally pressing public health issue.
The state says that hospitalizations is one of the reasons why Multnomah County could not move on to phase 1. And right now they're waiting on more information from the state. But in the meantime, Multnomah County plans on continuing to do contact tracing, do increased testing, and continue to engage with communities of color who've been disproportionately affected by COVID-19. Reporting live, Jacqueline Abad, KOIN 6 News.